Howdy. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of this USB 3.2 Gen 2 clone and docking station. I was given that as a Christmas gift by my son. I don't know much about it, but they said it could clone without the computer, without connecting it to the computer. It's a free this unit. It takes SATA and NVMe to NVMe cloning. It's from 3.5 SATA drive and 2 M.2 to NVMe SSD. They say it's plug and play, no software required. This is the unit. I'm going to put all the things in the description below. Let me open the box. As I said, I don't know much about it, but yeah, it comes with some ads, other clone drives, and the manual. I'll be going through it. It has 12-volt power supply, which is both 220 and 110. This is the unit. It's a bit light. It takes the M.2. I don't know if I should call it a disk. Here is source, there is target. So when you're doing your cloning, it's source and target. That's for the SATA. And when you're doing your cloning, you just press this. You connect. Let me get the box out. You won't connect the SATA, not SATA, C to the computer. It have satellite M2.1, that's the first. M2, so that's the first one. M2.2, that's the second one, and that's the percentage the percentage of the cloning. It sounds solid. The back, it has a little mark here. The back is the 12-volt, the power, and you could switch to the target drives. Either the source is SATA, the target is M2, the source is M2, that's the first docking station. The target is M2. That's for the second. It has the 10 gigabyte C drive. That's the C drive. And it also has an adapter. It's C2C or USB to C. I would be doing some experiment on it. It has the legs, rubber legs, so that it would stay steady. I'll be doing my experiment to see how good it is. I think it would do me good because M2, I don't have none of these drives, so I cannot format or do anything with them. It's a bit light. It has 4 screws to the back, 4 to the front, and it's good. So I would be doing some experiments. I would be putting the details of it in the description, so y'all would go through and tell me what y'all think of it. This is it for this video. If y'all find it was informative, please like, comment, subscribe, click on the bell icon so you'll be notified of further videos. Goodbye and thank you.